Good evening, traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index H. So, while I was going through the market news, this caught me attention. Like auto stocks, Maruti Suzuki, Mahindra and Mahindra, and Tata Motors to be in focus on Monday. Why? Because they have reported an yearly sales data. Maruti Suzuki, all the vehicles. Tata Motors, Hyundai, and also Mahindra and Mahindra, all have reported their uh, yearly basis auto sales number from the previous year, February 2024 to in comparison with this year, this month, February 2025. So Maruti has reported a slight increase in passenger vehicle sales, which indicates actually the passenger vehicle sales from 1,60,791 from 1,60,271. That is from the previous year. If you see at the growth, that the growth is very minimal, it indicates steady demand in passenger vehicles. Whereas otherwise in the Hyundai saw decline in sales, almost 5% drop from the same month in the last year. So from 50,201 units to, it has dropped to 47,727. Whereas Tata Motors has seen 9% decrease in domestic sales from 51,267 to 46,435 units. Units a year ago. This could be due to demand fluctuation and supply chain and constraints. On the other hand, the Mahindra and Mahindra can be looked at it, has been in an upward trajectory, sold nearly 50,420 utility vehicles. That is 19% growth over the sold items last year. So Mahindra's clearly SUV sales are gaining traction. In the electric vehicle segment space, Ola Electric faced significant dip, monthly registration dropping to nearly 3 years low. Even though Ola Electric remains the market leader, holding position ahead of Bajaj Auto and TVS Motor, so it has got the mixed results. So with the mixed results, what can have an impact on the stock market? So let us look at the Maruti. Maruti's marginal increase may not excite the traders, but it is neutral to slightly positive. You can see if it is nearing the support region, some sort of reversal you can anticipate on Monday in Maruti stock prices, whereas Hyundai and Tata Motors could give negative sentiment, and Hyundai is not listed in the Indian market. The suppliers of Hyundai, like Motherson Sumi and Bharat Forge, can see some impact in the negative sentiment, negative impact on the stock prices. We can see in the Bharat Forge as well as in the Motherson Sumi. So we can look for Maruti as well as Mahindra and Mahindra for a reversal trade on Monday. And if Tata Motors, if it approaches its support, investors can look for the investment opportunity on reversal. So let me go to the chart analysis for, let me make the, okay. Let me go to the charts. Maruti Suzuki, if I go to the daily chart, if I apply see, this is the consolidation phase. From the consolidation, it was breakout, 3 level of rise, and now it is approaching this level. Let me hide the indicator so that you can see clearly. So probably around 11,813. Now the price is 11,945. Around 11,813, Maruti can face gain a support around this level, because after this consolidation, this was the breakout. This was the first breakout. And if we take the fib tool and apply the fib tool, this 11,813, 847, that is the golden ratio, which can act as support. 11,847 to 813 can act as support for the Maruti Suzuki. Probably on Monday, Maruti Suzuki, after dipping down to that level, let me go to the 15-minute chart. Fifteen-minute chart. Around this is 11,813. Almost it has touched the 11,811. Probably it may take support, dip, and it may some reversal trade on Monday. Positive trade you can anticipate in positive trade. Let me write down the positive trade. Positive reversal trade on Monday can be seen in Maruti. Whereas let us go to the Bajaj Auto, not Bajaj Auto, sorry, Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra. Whether we can see some sort of reversal in the market. It has broken down the level, but if we go back to the levels over here on weekly basis, it is approaching the order block over here. Order block support is around 2,000. What is the level? 2,549, and the price is around 2,595. Probably on Monday, the Bajaj, Mahindra, why I'm taking Bajaj Auto, sorry. Mahindra and Mahindra, after dipping down to 2,545, you can see some sort of rally, reversal rally, climbing above this barrier towards the level of 2,666 to 2,668. You can keep this, both the things, Maruti as well as Mahindra, for reversal trade in the market. So other stocks, Bharat Forge, they will see weakness. Further sell-off can be seen in Bharat Forge to the level of 984. You can look for selling opportunity in the Bharat Forge and as well as in Motherson Sumi. Motherson Sumi, where is that? Motherson Sumi International. Samvardhan. This one? Yeah. And the Motherson Sumi can undergo selling pressure in the market on Monday. So it may continue its down move towards the level of 115 to 108. So probably it may start moving downwards. There may be some sort of sell-off in the Motherson Sumi. You can anticipate for a negative trade in the Motherson Sumi. and some sort of reversal positive trade can be anticipated in the Maruti as well as Mahindra and Mahindra. So these are the things what I noticed on the market news monthly, auto sales number. While analyzing, I felt these are the stocks which can be considered for trading. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.